Hello, friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sanjeev. Today I am going to tell you how to make a 3D effect on a picture. Let's start the video. First, open a picture in the Adobe Photoshop. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the background layer and rename the layer 0 to red. And double-click on the red layer for blending option and check off green and blue channel, then OK. Now again press Ctrl J to duplicate the background layer and rename the red to cyan. And double-click on the cyan layer for blending option and check off red and check on the green and blue channel, then OK. Now the last step is to select the Move tool and press the left key 5 times to move the cyan layer to the left side, and select the red layer and press the 5-time right key to move it to the right side. Now, the effect is ready. You can see it how it is simple.
Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.